Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. All right, guys, so this afternoon I'm going to take you through a Heartland 1. The Heartland 1 is a 1,548 square foot plan. Today's video will feature 3-bed, 2-bath, a large side-loading utility room. You also see a beautiful site-built front porch today. And as always, guys, sit back and enjoy the show. Thanks. All right, so this afternoon, we're over here in Rowan County, North Carolina. I'm going to be taking you through a Heartland 1. Like I said on the intro there, the Heartland 1 is 1,548 square feet. The original Heartland 1 floor plan is 3-bed, 2-bath, a large side-loading utility room. You can lose the larger utility room and replace it with a 4th bedroom or office, but today we are going to see the original 3-bed, 2-bath, humongous side-loading utility room. And as you can see from this exterior, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so what we got going on the outside is a 6x20 saddle roof or raised roof porch. The overhang is quite literally created by this middle section being raised up. Now, a lot of my videos will feature, and we have a lot model in Burlington that feature a saddle or raised roof with decorative turn gables up top or decorative triangles. Just know those are purely aesthetic. The porch is created by the raised roof. If you want to add turn gables or whatever up there, have at it, okay? You are seeing the brick foundation today. I wanted to talk to you about that. This is one of those rare scenarios where this customer actually did their own foundation to include the porch foundation and all that, okay? So just keep that in mind. If you're wanting to get involved, you can. And you can't hardly see it, but this is actually a brick flooring on this porch as well, okay, which is very unique, something I have not shown you before, so hope you enjoyed seeing that. This is one of our 5 included siding colors. This is that gray stone gray, one of our 5 included colors. White soffits, white fascias, white gutters and downspouts to kind of tie everything in. Beautiful. So let's get in here and take a look. You have been through a number of Heartland series plans with me, so bear with me. I'll do my best to kind of point out some unique things today. Very windy outside, so I apologize for that. But wow. 1,548 square feet. This living room feels enormous. It really does. You are seeing the 8-foot ceilings today, what I would call included with the nationwide plans. There's your front door that I just came through. Got the double window there. Beautiful smooth ceilings. So Nationwide does not offer any textured ceilings. All of their ceilings are going to be the smooth finish. You are seeing the laminate for mica tops today. You've seen granite and quartz, you know that's an option. But if you're wondering what's included or standard, there you go. There are multiple colors to choose from. I'm demonstrating not only the soft close cabinets, but I'm also showing you the pot and pan drawer that the islands feature. Again, Nationwide's included sink. So if you wanted to, if you were wondering what the included sink is, I know you've seen a lot of those farmhouse apron sinks and all that. There you go, okay? The 50/50 drop-in sink. We will have to talk about the appliances. In the Heartland series, the appliances would not be included except for the dishwasher and the range hood. If you want to add the fridge or range through us, it will be extra. Incredible, incredible pantry. I feel like I say it every time when I see it, but I mean, it is just 50-gallon water heater. Fantastic pantry. Back out to that kitchen. Nationwide's included vanity lights, included trims today as far as casings and base molding. I feel like I talk about it every time, but I'm going to do it again. The Heartland series plan is a single window standard. You would have your utility room door and your front door included. The third door is optional. When you do that, then we've got to talk about, what's coming off of this. He also built the stairs there to match the front. Going down the spare bedroom side here, bath 2. Bedrooms 2 and 3. You will notice that the full fold-out ladder for the attic access was added in today's plan. The scuttle hole is what is included. For about $650, you can add this pull down here. Bedroom 3. The included window grid pattern, 4/1, 1, 2, 3, 4/1. No blinds. Blinds are not included, they are optional. Call it $1,200-ish. Nice not walk-in closets, but nice closets for the spare bedrooms. And then my favorite feature of this house, or this plan, is that side-loading utility room. It just makes sense for most people's, driveway setup and all that. Now, what this customer did, that window was supposed to be in the dining room. So whenever you do take out that window in the dining, you could apply it elsewhere free of cost or free of charge. And that's what this customer did. Utility room sink in the base cabinet. Does not have to be in the base cabinet. Obviously a little bit more expensive to be in the base cabinet. Included 2-panel doors. You've seen the 5-panel where there's 5 rectangles going up and down. That is the upgrade. Call it $1,000 for the entire house if that's something that interests you. One last look at this main space before I get into the master suite. You are seeing the LVP. This is one of the 5 included colors. It's called Ivory Oak. Definitely one of the more popular colors, it seems like. That's what you're seeing today. Nice walk-in closet. And then we're going to get to that master bath. What you're seeing here is the optional 4x6 shower. As far as options within that shower, I don't see anything that they added that would be extra. The ceramic tiles included, the wand is included, the rain head is included, 1 can light, all included. Run the tile to the ceiling, additional heads, transom windows, built-in soap boxes. You do have the opportunity to frame a door out here. Just know that when you do the 4x6 shower, it is not included. The open access like you're seeing here is what you start with. I love the window for natural light. Nationwide's included sinks, tops, hardware, vanity lights, vanity mirrors, all that good stuff. So really good stuff today. And again, this was the Heartland one, 1,548 square feet. You saw a 6x20 raised / saddle roof front porch. You saw a beautiful brick foundation today, brick steps, brick decking. I don't know if that's the right word there, but all on that front porch, which was really nice to see, a little something different, unique. So if you have any questions, please give me a shout. Somebody wanted me to mention this. This plan is 27 foot 8 inches by 56 across, basically 28 feet deep. So I know some of these lots, especially in the city, can get very tight. So keep that in mind. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. All my information is down there in the description. Thank you guys, take care.